Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best model ship is probably one of the most intricate and rewarding hobbies for enthusiasts, offering a chance to recreate historical vessels with stunning detail and precision, making it a perfect blend of artistry and historical appreciation for anyone looking to embark on a captivating journey into the world of maritime craftsmanship and detailed model building. Number 5. Space Exploration Shuttle 12-in-1 STEM Building Kit. Embark on an incredible journey with this 12-in-1 space exploration building kit. It's designed for young adventurers aged 6 to 12, offering endless possibilities for discovery. With 566 pieces, you can construct a variety of space vehicles, including shuttles, rockets, and satellites. Spend quality time building and playing together. This STEM toy makes learning fun. It sparks curiosity about space and the universe while enhancing hands-on skills, creativity, and imagination. Building is a breeze with clear, step-by-step instructions included. You'll have your spacecraft ready for adventure in no time. Crafted from safe, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, these durable blocks are built to last. Colorful stickers add a vibrant touch to your creations. Surprise the young explorer in your life with this fantastic educational gift. It's ideal for birthdays, Children's Day, or Christmas, inspiring hours of imaginative play. What we like. This building kit offers 12 different space vehicle models to construct. It's perfect for fostering STEM learning and creativity in young minds. If you are looking for an engaging activity that combines education with fun for kids aged 6 to 12, this is an excellent choice for encouraging exploration and hands-on building. What people say. The detail on this model ship is incredible, with tiny cannons and rigging that look incredibly realistic. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and well-fitting parts. It's a satisfying build. The finished model is a stunning display piece. The paintwork is expertly done, and the scale accuracy is impressive. Number 4. Revell 85-0302 USS Arizona Battleship Model. Embark on a historical journey with this detailed model of the USS Arizona. It's a skill level 4 kit, perfect for modelers aged 12 and up. This impressive kit features 133 parts, offering a rewarding building experience. You'll find intricate details that bring this iconic ship to life. The model includes complete deck fittings such as searchlights, motor launches, and cranes. It also features tripod masts with observation nests for added realism. Experience the might of its armament, including 12 elevating 14-inch cannons in rotating turrets. It also comes with 5 and 1.1 AA guns and 10.5 turret cannons. 2 catapults with VOT-02U biplanes are included, along with a display stand. Finely engraved panel and plate details complete this exceptional model. This meticulously crafted model is built to a 1:426 scale. It offers a fantastic representation of the original battleship. What we like. This model kit features a high level of detail in its armament and construction. It's designed for modelers aged 12 and up who enjoy a moderate building challenge. If you are a fan of historical naval vessels and appreciate intricate details, this battleship model offers a rewarding building experience. What people say. The detail on this model ship is incredible, with tiny cannons and rigging that look very realistic. Assembly was straightforward, and the instructions were clear, making it a fun project even for a beginner. The finished model is a beautiful display piece, much larger than I expected and very sturdy. Number 3. Old Modern Handicrafts San Felipe Medium Model Ship. Introducing the San Felipe Model Ship, a stunning representation of maritime history. Its impressive dimensions make it a captivating centerpiece for any room. Each ship is meticulously handcrafted using the plank-on-frame method, featuring thousands of precise details. This ensures an authentic and historically accurate replica. Constructed from high-quality woods like rosewood, mahogany, and teak, this model is built to last. It offers a durable and authentic tribute to the original galleon. Our master craftsmen dedicate hundreds of hours to perfect every detail, from fittings to ornaments. The result is a true masterpiece of maritime artistry. Faithfully reproduced at a 1:100 scale, this model captures the grandeur of the original San Felipe. It highlights the historical and architectural significance of this iconic vessel. Measuring 28.0 L x 9.5 W x 26.0 H inches, this model ship is perfectly sized for display. It adds a touch of elegance and history to your home or office decor. What we like. This is a fully assembled, large-scale model ship crafted from high-quality woods. It boasts intricate detailing and exceptional craftsmanship. If you are looking for a stunning, ready-to-display piece of maritime art for your home or office, this model provides immediate visual impact and historical elegance. What people say. The hull is made of high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring durability and a realistic finish. The rigging lines are pre-cut and easy to attach, significantly speeding up the assembly process. Detailed instructions with clear diagrams make even complex steps manageable for beginners. Number 2. CubicFun Queen Anne's Revenge 3D Puzzle. Embark on an exciting journey and assemble your own 1 hour's 95-minute scale model of the infamous pirate ship, Queen Anne's Revenge. This detailed model brings ancient pirate adventures to life. Crafted from eco-friendly materials, this model features warm LED bulbs that beautifully replicate its evening glow. It brings the legend of Blackbeard's ship to life in your home. Test your skills with this highly complex model where every piece fits precisely without glue. Completing it will earn you the title of a true puzzle master. Surprise your loved ones with a unique gift that combines the thrill of puzzles with pirate history. This glowing 3D puzzle makes an extraordinary present for any occasion. Immerse yourself in the world of pirates with this model, inspired by tales of Blackbeard. It's perfect for reliving pirate lore and will light up any room. This intricate model is ideal for those who love a good challenge and appreciate historical details. It's a memorable gift that offers hours of engaging fun. What we like. This 3D puzzle kit allows you to build a detailed model of the Queen Anne's Revenge, complete with LED lighting. It offers a challenging yet glue-free assembly experience. If you enjoy intricate puzzles and want a unique, illuminated display piece that brings pirate lore to life, this is a fantastic option for adults and enthusiasts. What people say. The detail on this model ship is incredible, with tiny cannons and rigging that look incredibly realistic. Assembly was surprisingly straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and well-fitting parts. It's a satisfying build. The finished model is a stunning display piece, capturing the grandeur of the original ship perfectly. Number 1. CubicFun LED Flying Dutchman 3D Puzzle. Embark on a journey into the legend of the Flying Dutchman, a ghost ship from the golden age of piracy. This 3D model lets you recreate the fearsome pirate vessel, uncovering its dark secrets as you build. Discover intricate details like 2 decks, cannons, and a bowsprit with skeleton statues. The decaying hull glows with eerie green LED lights, making it a captivating display, especially in the dark. Enjoy a rewarding challenge that takes about 4 hours to complete, perfect for family time or a solo activity. No glue or tools are needed, just patience and steady hands. Once assembled, this 360-piece model becomes a unique piece of home decor and a testament to your achievement. It's a perfect addition to your home or office. We are dedicated to creating 3D puzzles that bring joy and creativity. Our customer service team is always ready to assist, ensuring you have a delightful experience. What we like. This 3D puzzle brings the legendary Flying Dutchman to life with eerie green LED lighting and intricate details. It provides a captivating building challenge for adults. If you are drawn to mysterious legends and desire a striking, atmospheric display piece that glows in the dark, this model is perfect for adding a touch of the supernatural to your decor. What people say. The model ship is a great addition to any collection, with intricate details and a realistic design. Assembly was straightforward, and all parts fit together perfectly, making for a satisfying building experience. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.